In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Exness to MetaTrader 4. If you want to start trading through your Exness account on MT4, this setup is quick and straightforward. The most important thing is to use the correct account details and make sure you choose the right server during login. Once those are entered properly, your account should connect without much trouble. To begin, open the MetaTrader 4 application on your device. Make sure the platform is fully loaded before moving on because you'll need access to the top menu inside the app. If this is your first time opening MT4, take a moment to let everything finish loading so the login process goes smoothly. Once MT4 is open, go to the top left area of the platform and click File. In the drop-down menu, choose Login to Trade Account. This will open the login window where you'll connect your Exness trading account to the platform. This is the main place where MT4 asks for your account credentials, so everything from this point needs to match your trading account information exactly. In the login field, enter your Exness account number. This will be used as your MT4 login. Then, in the password field, type your MT4 trading password. Be careful not to confuse this with any other password you may use for your personal area or account management dashboard. MT4 requires the trading password specifically, so if the details don't work, that's one of the first things to double check. Next, select the correct server for your account. This part is very important because even if your login and password are correct, the connection can still fail if the wrong server is selected. If you're not sure which server belongs to your account, check the account details provided by Exness and match the server name exactly. After entering your account number, your trading password, and selecting the correct server, click Log In. MT4 will then attempt to connect your Exness account. If the information is correct, you should see the platform connect and begin updating account data. In many cases, you'll notice prices loading and your account information appearing in the terminal area, which confirms the connection is active. If it doesn't connect on the first try, carefully recheck the login details and server selection for any typing mistakes. Small errors, especially in the password or server, are a common reason for login issues, and that's how to connect Exness to MetaTrader 4. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to access your trading account directly from MT4 and continue with your trading setup.